Hello again and welcome back. We're in the fourth video of this series on testing a serial MRAM. Just as a reminder, we're testing the Avalanche serial MRAM in the SPI mode, and we are using a Griffin 3 test system from High Level and the Symphony 3 software. So let's get going and do some DC parametric tests. In addition to functional tests, we often want to run some DC parametric measurements. Presenting the high-level DC parametric tool. It's built right into the software, and the hardware already includes integrated high-performance DC instruments in every pin electronics board. From this window, we can perform all kinds of tests like current leakage, VOH and VOL, measuring IDD, and more. Here we have defined a continuity test for the Avalanche device. We will force this current and measure the voltage on all the pins without powering up the device. We can define a pass as being above a value, below a value, or between two values as we are doing here. We can also force voltage and measure current if we wish. Use the device electrical specifications to determine the proper parameters to use for your tests. Let's run the test. See how quickly we have not only determined the device is connected, but we also report the values. Remember the auto test suite we ran in the first video? Here it is again. This is where we put our continuity test as the very first event. In this way, we have assurance that if any other test in the suite fails, it's not because of a bad connection. If device timing is something you want, see our next video on the AC parametrics feature.